First night here in Malaysia.
Ipakita, di ba?
Okay na. So right now, we're going to the City Mall. So kailangan namin bumili ng adapter kasi hindi gumagana yung charger namin. So with this trip, I'm with my cousin Aubrey and
Justin.
our friend. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Okay, so nandito na kami sa mall. Hanapin namin yung deal. Ito yung ano eh. Ito yung nakakalito dito kasi sanay tayo sa Philippines na laging nasa right. Sa kanila, lagi naman nasa left.
Yeah, right.
Hi guys, baka first budol namin to. Dito sa
Nakasale sila 80%.
Planet. Sport Planet. Nakasale sila.
Sports Planet.
Sports Planet wala. Nawala yung S. Naka 80% sila. Okay, maghanap tayo ng mga nakasale. Ito kami nakasale. Uy, maganda to. This one. Maganda, no? Meron din ako nakita here. Parang nandito siya. Ganda, cute.
Hello! We're at the mall and we're still looking for the Universal Studios.
Hindi! So ngayon nandito kami sa Guada.
Guada.
Bawal
Wala.
siya sa ano, sa babae.
Sa
Dahil invoice only.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hindi! Pagod na ang person. Ilang minutes?
16.
16? Malapit na.
Grabe.
Malapit na.
Yan yung malapit. Malapit na.
2,000 years later.
Ay! Hindi! Salay!
Ah, Salay Restaurant.
Uy! Just!
Ah,
Samudra! Patin!
ano man?
Samud!
Uy,
Mudra Bells ba? Mudra Bells.
Uy, pag nagano ka, nagano, bad word.
oo.
Amo.
Ay, which is Warong Chesena.
Chusen na mida.
Petronas, hindi lang kasi ibukuha. Bakit siya Petronas na tinatawag?
Bakit nga ba?
Gas galing sa Petron.
Ay.
Which is,
Never mind, I cannot be broken into two.
yeah, perfect.
Because there is something that Aubrey
Aubrey what?
Want to do.
TikTok, do your thing. We're here right now sa Ikan Singang. Minuman.
Ano ba ko? Dito naman sa running yan, Didi. H&M po, Gawasan Mall.
Didi lang talaga kita kanina. Oo, dapat didi kita. Oo, nasa. Kaya didi kita kanina.
So, what's this?
Sarap. Bakit matamis yung soup niya?
Food is here. We have the beef salpicao.
Salamat. Salamat.
There. Scrambled egg.
Uy, iba talaga na angkor.
Corina Sanchez, ang ito. Melchanko.
Lang to na.
Ano ba ito?
Hindi. Hindi parang sumisilip.
Oray kitong mabat.
Ay, sorry.
Ang cool na lang.
What is, aside from angkor, what is the Mauritian food?
All of that? Yes.
All Mauritian.
Tola. Tola.
Tari.
Good morning, Malaysia. Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning po.
Good morning. Good morning. So we're on our way to Batu Cave.
May taga-bato.
So, ito yung daan nila dito. Going to Batu Caves. Grabe, yung ganda ng kalsada nila, no? Ano na, Philippines? Parang kita gold. Yan lang pala.
Ano?
So, guys, grabing init. Behind the scene. Ay! Sorry. Hindi.
Tapos na kami here sa Batu Cave. Ang tanong, gusto niyo bang makuha si Aubrey ng mga unggoy?
Comment down below.
Comment down below! Ayan. A lot of monkeys.
Wala to jewel.
At makakatagpo si Justin dito ng kanyang
Mga kapatid.
kanyang organic encounter.
May nasira na bubuso.
Di pa.
Deke,
yung grab.
ano talaga sa era.
Ayun, may grab na. Go to... Uy, has arrived. Tara, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Also sell malatang. Also sell malatang.
They don't have malatang.
Oh.
So, we will try the malatang here.
Ah, yeah. It's famous there.
It's famous
Malatang.
there.
What's malatang?
What's malatang?
A rice. It's a rice. Rice. Malatang.
Mango sticky rice.
Malatang got fried and got soup.
Ah, so,
You can pick the what?
okay.
Right.
The what? Yong tofu. Yong tofu. Yong tofu.
Tofu is my favorite. One of my favorite. Ay, our vlog. Here's our vlog.
You're from Philippines, eh?
Yes, we're from Philippines.
Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino. What's your name?
Orange.
Haris. I'm Marco. That's Justin, and that's Aubrey. We're from the Philippines. Manila. Yeah, correct. My friend over there, Justin, is a famous vlogger in the Philippines.
Oh, Justin,
Yeah,
eh?
Justin.
Content, eh?
Content creator.
Creator.
He's a content
I
creator.
got 2 million followers.
Hindi!
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Nice.
We're heading to Chinatown
To try the malatang.
to try the malatang. And this is our way going there.
It's the same.
It's the same. Pero wala, ang ganda talaga dito sa kanila. Parang di masyadong matraffic. Like
Magaling sa ano?
Philippines.
Chinese na tayo.
Chinese na tayo dyan.
Parang maganda siya ilagay dito. Ay. I'm loving this camera. By the way guys, ano to? DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Ganda. You should buy it.
Ayan, na-survive niya yung Bato Cave. Takot na takot siya kay Kuya Joel.
Kay Joel. Well, nakikita namin yung pinaka, magulang.
Family. Or family tree.
Family tree. Pero, scary pa din ang mga attackers ni Joel. Okay, see you later. So this is Chinatown.
Mulat ako rin.
Kasi ini, sa office ini.
Adi na natin yung part.
More like a grocery. Ali, utros na. Kanina.
Playtime.
Ay, Bri, tagang ikaw sini.
Ah, thank you, Lord.
Tagay, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Ah, sige, ibubukahon ta na lang.
Ano, oo,
Yeah.
oo.
Dali.
Kasi may salmon siya.
Come on.
3 days later.